Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be going to cover important days and their themes for the month of September 2020. So, our first slide is about National Wildlife Day, which is observed every year on 4th of September. National Wildlife Day, which is observed every year on 4th of September. Okay, so World Wildlife Day, World Wildlife Day, it is observed every year on 3rd of March. So if question comes National Wildlife Day 4th of September, and if they are asking World Wildlife Day, then go for 3rd of March. And theme for 2020 for World Wildlife Day is sustaining all life on earth. Okay guys, sustaining all life on earth is the theme for World Wildlife Day for the year 2020. Okay guys, fine. Then moving on to our next slide, International Literacy Day. International Literacy Day, it is observed every year on 8th of September. 8th of September. Then theme for International Literacy Day is literacy teaching and learning in the COVID crisis and beyond. Okay guys, literacy teaching and learning in the COVID crisis and beyond. Okay guys, fine. Theme will be changing for the next year, so keep this thing in mind. This theme is only for year 2020. The day will remain the same. Okay, the but theme will be changing whenever the new year is coming. Okay guys, fine. Then International Day of Democracy, it is important. It is important, please keep this thing in mind. It is important. International Day of Democracy, it is observed every year on 15th of September. It is observed every year on 15th of September. Okay, it is observed every year on 15th of September. And theme for International Day of Democracy, COVID-19, a spotlight on democracy. Okay guys, so this is important, please keep this thing in mind. Again, I am mentioning here, it is important. Okay, International Day of Democracy, it is observed every year on 15th of September. And theme for 2020 is COVID-19, a spotlight on democracy. Okay, then moving on to our next slide, World Ozone Day. World Ozone Day, it is observed every year on 16th of September, and theme is Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protection. Okay guys, this is important because it is talking about environment thing. So don't miss this. This is important. Note it down somewhere. Whatever I'm discussing here, please make the note of these days. It is important. Okay, there are many days in a month, but I have covered only the important days which are relevant for your exam. Okay, fine. World Bamboo Day. World Bamboo Day, it is celebrated on 18th of September, and theme is Bamboo Now. Bamboo Now. Why it is important? Because recently Government of India has removed bamboo from the tree category. Okay, because when bamboo was in the tree category, it cannot be uh, it cannot be cutted. It was not, we cannot cut the bamboo tree because it was under the trees schedule. Okay, but now Government of India has removed this bamboo from uh, tree schedule to help the scheduled tribes which are living in the forest areas for their economic development, for the economic overcome. Okay guys, so in that prospectus that this bamboo day is important, so please don't ignore it. Fine. Then International Equal Pay Day, it is important. It is talking about gender equality. It is celebrated on 18th September. It is celebrated every year on 18th of September. And one important thing is, it is being observed for the first time on 18th September 2020. Okay, so International Pay Day is observed is being observed for the very first time in the year 2020. So it becomes automatically important because it is first time, because it is its first time. And UNGA adopted a resolution declaring 18th September as International Equal Pay Day. Okay guys, so International Equal Pay Day, it is observed every year on 18th of September, and it is the first year, 2020 is the first year when this equal pay day is being observed. And UNGA, United Nations General Assembly, adopted a resolution for declaring 18th September as International Equal Pay Day. Okay, fine. Then moving on to our next slide, International Coastal Cleanup Day. International Coastal Cleanup Day, it is observed every year on 19th of September. And what is the theme for 2020? Achieving a trash-free coastline. Achieving a trash-free coastline. You people have came to know, you people have came to know that people are visiting beach areas and sea coastline, and they are dumping their trash and garbages there. So to bring awareness regarding this, International Coastal Cleanup Day is being observed every year on 19th of September, and theme is for the year 2020, achieving a trash free coastline. Okay guys, then International Day of Peace. International Day of Peace, it is observed every year on 21st of September. 21st of September, and theme for the year 2020 is shaping peace together. Shaping peace together. Okay guys, shaping peace together. Okay, then International Day for Sign Languages. This is important. This is important. Okay, please note down this. International Day of Sign Languages, it is observed every year on 23rd of September. 23rd of September. Okay guys, and theme for this International Day of Sign Languages for the year 2020, sign languages are for everyone. Sign languages are for everyone. Okay, so International Day of Sign Languages, 23rd of September, and theme for the year 2020, sign languages are for everyone. Okay, then this is important, World Maritime Day. It has been asked in many exams, so please take care of this. Please note down this. Please note down every year which I am mentioning here. Okay, every day, not year, every day, every important day which I am talking in the slide, I am covering in the slide. Please note down it somewhere. So it will be okay. It will be good for you that at the time of exam you can revise it quickly. Okay. Then 24th of September, World Maritime Day is observed every year on 24th of September. Theme is sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. Sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. Okay guys, sustainable shipping for a sustainable planet. Okay, Antyodaya Divas, Antyodaya Divas, not Antyodaya Divas, Antyodaya Divas, Antyodaya Divas, sorry. It is observed every year on 25th of September, and it is celebrated by India. Okay, this Antyodaya Divas is celebrated by India, and it is observed on the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay. Okay, the founder of Jan Sangh, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay's birthday is on 25th of September. So on his birth anniversary, Antyodaya Divas is observed, and it is for the upliftment of the poor. It is for the upliftment of the poor. Okay guys, fine. Then International Day for the total elimination of nuclear weapons. International Day for the total elimination of nuclear weapons. Okay, so it is observed every year on 26th of September. It is observed every year on 26th of September. In the last video, I have talked about same subject, which is talking about nuclear test. The day was International Day against nuclear test. International Day against nuclear test. Okay, so that was on 29th of August. It was International Day against nuclear test, and this is International Day for the total elimination of nuclear weapons. Okay, so it is observed on 26th of September. So don't confuse this 26th September with 29th of August. 29th August is International Day against nuclear test. Then this is talking about elimination of nuclear weapons, and that is talking about nuclear test. Okay, both the things are different. World Tourism Day, important, 27th September, 27th September, 27th September. and theme is tourism and rural development. Tourism and rural development. So International Day for the Total Elimination of Nuclear Weapons, 26 September. World Tourism Day, 27 September. Theme is tourism and rural development. Okay guys. And last, World Rabies Day. World Rabies Day. It is observed every year on 28th of September, and theme for the year 2020 is End Rabies, Collaborate, Vaccinate. World Rabies Day, 20th September. Theme is End Rabies, Collaborate and Vaccinate. Okay guys, so these were the important days for the month of September. And one thing more, for PDF of this lecture and updates regarding the videos, you can join my Telegram channel, Current Affairs Express _32. Okay, Current Affairs Express _32, and the link will be given in the description box. Okay, so if you want PDFs regarding the videos and updates when the next video is coming, or regarding what topic the next video will be, sorry. Okay, so you can join this Telegram channel if you want. Okay, then last but not the least, humble request for everyone, if you find the video useful, then only, okay, it is a request, don't find me arrogant here, it is a request. If you find the video useful, then only please like, share and subscribe the channel, and you know the name of the channel, Current Affairs Express _32. Okay guys, so I hope you would have liked this session, and this video will be again fruitful for you. Okay guys, so take care of yourself and please study for your exam. Okay, that's all in today's video. Thank you, God bless you, and stay safe.